Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of motivation. We all know how important it is to stay motivated, so in this video, we'll be sharing 5 effective strategies to help you unlock your motivation and achieve your goals. Let's get started. The first step towards staying motivated is setting meaningful goals. Take some time to reflect on what truly inspires you. What do you want to achieve? Make sure your goals align with your values and passions. Remember, the more connected you are to your goals, the easier it will be to stay motivated. Motivation can wane when faced with big, overwhelming tasks. The key here is to break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps. By doing so, you'll create a sense of progress and accomplishment as you tick off each milestone. Remember, small victories pave the way to bigger success. Visualization is a powerful technique that can boost your motivation. Take a moment each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals. See the process, feel the emotions, and embrace the success. When you can see it in your mind, it becomes easier to make it a reality. We all have moments when our motivation takes a dip. During those times, it's crucial to seek out inspiration. Find role models or mentors who have achieved what you aspire to accomplish. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether through books, podcasts, or YouTube channels. Remember, inspiration is just a click away. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Acknowledge and reward yourself for each milestone you achieve. Treat yourself to something you enjoy or take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Celebrating progress not only boosts motivation, but also reinforces positive habits. And there you have it. 5 strategies to stay motivated and unlock your full potential. Remember, motivation is not a constant state. It's something we need to nurture and cultivate every day. So set meaningful goals, break them down, visualize success, find inspiration, and celebrate your progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's motivate and inspire each other on this incredible journey. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your dreams. Take care.